Hello and welcome to another BrailleNote Touch Plus snapshot video tutorial. My name's Andrew Fratris. I am the Braille product manager at Humanware, and on this video I'm going to show you a new enhancement that was available to us from KeySoft version 3. This is how we would customize our main menu. Now, some of the benefits here to customize your menu could be that there's too many applications on your My Menu. Maybe you're very overwhelmed, perhaps you just need to use the word processor and that's all that you use. So this is really beneficial for you. Now, in the other end of the spectrum, you could be a more advanced user and perhaps you want to add every single application that you use on the main menu to avoid navigating to all apps, making it a more efficient way of navigating. So again, please feel free to test that order there and add as many applications as you wish. We've tried it. I think the most that we've tried is about 150, but I'm sure that you could even do more than that. So without further ado, let's see how we can enable our customized menu. So first of all, from the main menu, to enable the customized menu, there is a shortcut key that you can press, and that shortcut is backspace, enter with the letter X. So press backspace, enter, X.
My Menu, Easy Reader Plus.
This will take you to a My Menu, and the My Menu generates about 5 applications by default. And again, these applications can also be removed. Now, to remove and add applications, we have used the same command that you use to add and remove bookmarks, which is enter with the letter M. So, for example, if I find that this menu is still far too complex for me and I want to make it a bit more simpler, I can press the letter M with enter.
Are you sure you want to remove Easy Reader Plus from this menu? Cancel.
And on removing any applications, you will automatically be prompted with a confirmation. So as I press the letter R,
remove button.
Press remove.
My Menu, Easy Reader Plus removed from menu.
I'm going to remove the email.
Keymail. Are you sure you want to remove button? My Menu.
And I'm going to remove the
Keymail
file manager.
removed from menu. File manager. Are you sure you want to remove button? My Menu. Key files removed from menu.
Okay, so now
Internet,
I have 2 applications,
Chrome.
my internet, which is Chrome, and the word processor. And these are the 2 applications that I most commonly use. So I'm happy that I can go to my menu and I've always just got these 2 applications to make it that little bit more simpler for me. If, on the other end, you're a bit more advanced and you'd like all of your applications, then great, test the waters here. You can add hundreds of applications on your menu. We've tried it. So I'm going to go to all applications.
All applications. Main menu.
I'm going to decide
apps.
to add
Contact Drive. Contacts.
So again, using that same method, enter with the letter M.
Contacts added to menu.
Now this time you don't get a prompt as we're adding, so it's just confirming that we're adding these.
Drive, Duo, Easy Reader Plus, Files,
Perhaps want to
Firebird,
add
Gmail, Google, KeyBRF.
KeyBRF. So again, enter with the letter M.
KeyBRF added to menu. Key plan.
And I'm going to go ahead and add
keyword, KNFB
reader. Enter an M.
KNFB reader added to menu.
And now when I go back to the main menu,
My Menu, BrailleNote Pad, KeyBRF.
I will have all of those applications available to me. So by all means, feel free to add or remove as many or as little applications as you want. Now, at any point, if you do want to restore your menu, you can revert back to the default menu by pressing enter, backspace, and the letter X again. So backspace, enter with X will revert me back.
Main menu, all apps. Braille terminal.
And if I go back,
main menu,
the default
contacts,
main menu screen.
List.
And you can toggle between those 2 different menus if you wish. So to summarize then, we now know how to enable the customized menu by pressing enter, backspace, and the letter X. We know how to remove applications from the My Menu screen by pressing enter with the letter M. And we now know how to add applications by, again, pressing the letter M with enter. And if at any point you want to revert back to the default menu, then we can simply press enter, backspace, and X, and that will toggle us back to that default menu.